Setting up WordPress on hosting. In this section, you'll learn how to install WordPress on your hosting environment, a critical step in launching your website. Whether you prefer a simple one-click solution or you want to dive deeper with a manual installation, this guide has you covered. Let's explore both methods in detail. One-click installation via cPanel. Imagine the convenience of launching a new website with just a single click, no complicated commands, no lengthy configuration processes. That's exactly what one-click installations via cPanel offer you. Many hosting providers include a one-click installer for WordPress, which makes setting up your site incredibly straightforward. How it works. When you log into your hosting account, you'll typically see a tool like Softaculous or Fantastico in your cPanel. These installers allow you to install WordPress in a few simple steps. Instead of manually uploading files and configuring databases, the installer does all of that for you automatically. Steps to install WordPress using one-click installation. 1. Log into your cPanel account. Open your web browser and navigate to your cPanel login page. Enter your credentials to access the dashboard. 2. Locate the one-click installer. Look for an icon labeled WordPress under the software section. This is often powered by tools like Softaculous. 3. Initiate the installation. Click on the WordPress icon and then on the Install button. The installer will guide you through the process. 4. Configure basic settings. You'll be prompted to choose the domain where WordPress should be installed, set the site name, description, and administrative credentials. Fill in these fields carefully. For example, if your domain is example.com, you might install WordPress in the root directory or a subdirectory if you plan to run multiple sites. 5. Complete the installation. Once you submit the form, the installer takes over. It will automatically create a database, upload all necessary files, and configure WordPress settings. In just a few minutes, your new WordPress site will be ready to use. Why use one-click installation? Simplicity. The process is straightforward, making it perfect for beginners. Time saving. It automates many of the technical details, allowing you to focus on designing and developing your site. Reduced errors. Automated configuration minimizes the risk of mistakes that might occur during manual setup. Imagine you're launching a personal blog. One-click installation lets you get your blog online quickly so you can start sharing your stories without delay. If you prefer having full control over your setup or your hosting provider doesn't offer a one-click installer, you can install WordPress manually. Manual installation gives you a deeper understanding of how WordPress works under the hood, which can be invaluable as your site grows and you require more customization. Before you begin, make sure you have the following. WordPress package. Download the latest version of WordPress from wordpress.org. FTP access or cPanel file manager to upload files to your hosting server. A MySQL database. Create a new database and a dedicated user through your cPanel's MySQL database wizard. Step-by-step manual installation. 1. Upload WordPress files. Use an FTP client like FileZilla or cPanel's file manager to upload the extracted WordPress files into your desired directory, usually public_HTML. For example, if you want WordPress to run on your main domain, upload the files directly into public_HTML. If you want it in a subdirectory, like example.com/blog, create a folder named blog and upload the files there. 2. Create a database. Log into your cPanel and navigate to the MySQL databases section. Create a new database and a new database user. Assign the user full privileges to the database. Make note of the database name, username, and password. You'll need these in the next step. Step 3 is as displayed on your screen. 4. Run the installation script. Open your web browser and navigate to your website's URL where you uploaded WordPress, e.g., www.example.com or www.example.com/blog. You should see the WordPress installation page. Follow the on-screen instructions. Set your site title, Create an administrator username and password, and enter your email address. Once completed, click Install WordPress. 5. Complete the setup. After the installation script runs successfully, you'll see a success message along with a link to the WordPress login page. You can now log in with the admin credentials you set up and start customizing your site. Benefits of manual installation. Full control. You can customize every aspect of the setup process. Learning opportunity. Understanding manual installation deepens your technical knowledge and prepares you for troubleshooting. Flexibility. You can choose custom configurations and advanced settings that might not be available through one-click installers. Imagine you're working on a project that requires specific customizations not offered by default installers. Manual installation gives you the freedom to tailor every detail to your exact needs. Whether you choose the simplicity of a one-click installation via cPanel or prefer the deeper control of a manual installation, setting up WordPress on your hosting environment is a critical step toward launching your website. Each method has its advantages. One-click installation is perfect for those who want a quick, hassle-free setup. Manual installation provides complete control and is ideal if you're looking to customize your site from the ground up. By following these detailed steps, you can confidently install WordPress and start building your online presence, ready to unleash your creativity with this powerful content management system.